trip is taking me to Southeast Asia. My plan is to fly into Bangkok and travel overland through Thailand, Cambodia and Laos, all the way up to Beijing. There is a whole lot of stuff to get done before I leave, but in this video I'm gonna take you through my packing list. Let's start with miscellaneous items. Sewing kit, rope, some tape, extra plastic bags, a pen, some cards, card reader and my passport. In a smaller separate bag I keep some other handy items like a rope and pens and scissors, knife, tweezers, nail clippers and a nail file. Oh, and a bit of makeup for the occasion. In a separate pouch I'm bringing my toothpaste, floss and bamboo toothbrush. As I'm trying to pack light, these are the only toiletries I'm going to bring. A cloth, a mirror, Vaseline, beeswax, deodorant, a little tub of baking soda, hand sanitizer, travel-sized razor, a sun protection stick, a mosquito stick and my highly concentrated Dr. Bronner's all-in-one magic soap. I use it to shower, bath, mop, launder and degrease. But I don't really like to wash my hair with it, so I bring some conditioner and some Moroccan mud, which is a biodegradable and earthy way to wash. I managed to fit it all in a small pouch, apart from my brush and my pot of mud. Then let's have a look at the first aid, because we want to travel safe. What I like to have within reach is some tape, some wound cream, pills, a tick remover, nose spray, alcohol wipes and some plasters. And that's all. Oh, it's not. Actually, I'm one of those people that have massive first aid kits, several of them. So here's another one with a whole lot of other extras, including tiger balm and a thermometer and a lot more plasters. Better safe than sorry. As for electronics, I bring my iPad, a travel adapter, a power bank, a mobile phone with double SIM card and my Aventry headphones. Then I bring my ultra-light 360 degrees Furno stove, which is super handy to cook any warm drinks or meals while on the road. Add some herbs and a pan and we're good to go. Oh, and then there's my travel pillow. I don't go anywhere without it. As for clothing, I tend to pack light too. I have a small microfiber towel, my own pillowcase, which is falling apart but I love it. I pack a certified down jacket from Decathlon which packs super small. A happy looking raincoat, which also packs super small. I pack my jean shorts and some ultralight desert trousers which are super nice in hot weather. A long sleeve cashmere which feels super soft and is 8 times warmer than wool. Then I pack 2 of my favorite comfortable dresses to feel slightly more glamorous every now and then. A black thin long sleeve shirt from Monkey. I pack 1 or 2 tops without sleeves that I feel comfortable in. I have a pouch with a few pairs of underwear and a bikini. And even though I don't have shoes to wear them in, I always pack 1 pair of comfy socks and a thin buff to keep my neck warm. Another item that I will add to this pile is my BioLite headlamp, which is rechargeable by USB, and 2 pairs of shoes. I'm bringing my super comfortable Teva sandals and my Vibram 5 Fingers KSO Evo shoes, which are super flexible and lightweight. On this trip I'm also going to bring my Eno single nest hammock, which only weighs about 1 pound or half a kilogram. It's super comfortable to chill in and enjoy my surroundings in peace. Want to see how I get on? Please subscribe to my channel and see you in Asia!